Good day everyone. Today, I'm going to discuss the topic saturated hydrocarbons in everyday life and agriculture. In this presentation, we will learn what saturated hydrocarbons are, where we can find them in our daily lives, and why they are important in agriculture. We will also talk about their advantages and disadvantages. I hope that after this presentation, everyone will have a better understanding of how these compounds are used in our everyday activities. First, let us define what our saturated hydrocarbons are. Saturated hydrocarbons are organic compounds that are made up of only carbon and hydrogen atoms. They are called saturated because all of the carbon's atoms are connected by a single bond. This means that carbon atoms hold the maximum number of hydrogen atoms. These compounds are also known as alkanes, and they follow the general formula CnH2n plus 2. So some common examples are including this methane, ethane, propane, and butane. Saturated hydrocarbons are very useful in our daily lives. One of the most common uses is a fuel. LPG, which contains propane and butane, is commonly used for cooking in many homes. Gasoline and diesel also contains hydrocarbons that provides energy for cars, motorcycles, buses, and trucks. Aside from fuels, saturated hydrocarbons are also used to make candle wax, lubricating oils for machines, and different kinds of plastics and packaging materials that we use every day. Here are some examples that we use every day. LPG is used for cooking our food. Gasoline powers our vehicles so we can travel from one place to another. Paraffin wax is commonly found in candles and crayons. Petroleum jelly is another product made from hydrocarbons, and it helps us to protect and moisturize dry skin. Saturated hydrocarbons are also very important in agriculture. Farmers use fuels made from hydrocarbons to operate tractors, harvesters, irrigation pumps, and other farming equipment. Plastics made from hydrocarbons are used as mulch to protect crops and reduce weeds growth. They are also used to make irrigation pipes and greenhouse coverings. In addition, fuel is needed to transport vegetables, fruits, and other farm products from farms to markets. Because of saturated hydrocarbons, farming has become more faster and more efficient. Machines reduce the amount of manual labor needed by the farmers. Plastic materials help protect crops and improve their growth. Better transportation also allows fresh farm products to reach markets more quickly, reducing waste and increasing farmers' income. Like many useful materials, saturated hydrocarbons have both advantages and disadvantages. Their advantages include providing a reliable source of energy, being widely available, and supporting transportation and agriculture. However, they also have disadvantages. Burning fuels releases harmful gases that cause air pollution and contribute to climate change. Plastic products made from hydrocarbons can also become an environmental waste if they are not properly disposed or recycled. In conclusion, saturated hydrocarbons play an important role in our everyday life and in agriculture. They provide energy for cooking, transportation, and farm machinery, making our daily activities easier and more efficient. They are also used to produce many useful products that we depend on every day. However, we should remember that proper use and proper waste management are necessary to reduce pollution and protect the environment for our future generations. Thank you everyone. That's the end of my presentation.